Hi. So in this particular slide, what we're going to do is we're going to actually graph these two equations. Before we graph them though, let's identify what is the slope and what is the y-intercept for each one, okay? So first, when I look at equation 1, I see y equals negative 4x plus 5. So when I identify my slope is mx, right? The m, the coefficient in front of the variable x. So that would be negative 4. And if you were to write it as a fraction, it would be negative 4 over 1. The y-intercept will be positive 5 because remember you take the sign in front, so it would be positive 5. Now how am I going to physically graph this? Well, anytime you graph a line from slope-intercept form, the first thing that you do is you're going to plot the y-intercept, which is why it's the most important point, right? So I'm going to plot that point at y equals positive 5. So we're going to go to the y-axis, put a point on 5. From that point, we're going to move, which is why slope is called m. We're going to move according to whatever the slope says. If it's a positive slope, we're going to move up and to the right. If it's a negative slope, we're going to move down and to the right. So it just depends on if slope is positive or negative as to whether you go up first or down first, okay? So our second equation, y equals 2x minus 3, 2/3 x minus 3, I'm sorry. The slope is 2/3. It's a positive slope, so that means we're going to go up 2 and over 3. Our y-intercept is negative 3, which means we're going to start at y equals negative 3. So I'm going to go to the board, so follow me over there, and I'm going to show you how to physically graph each one of these two lines, okay? See you there.